Hello everyone, welcome to Super Kalam. I am your mentor and teacher Arpita Sharma. I hope that you have not forgotten me. After a long time, we are taking these kind of very informative sessions to help you strengthen your foundation. So, this is Super Start with NCRT's initiative that we have recently started. Today is day number 2. Every alternative day, we will keep a combination of heavy and light subjects. Yesterday, we started with Indian polity, class 11th NCERT, chapter 1 and chapter 3. We interconnected them, and Madhur sir taught those chapters to you. Today, let's keep it light. We'll be starting with themes in Indian history part 1, and we are going to start with chapter 1, that is Indus Valley Civilization. UPSC's favorite chapter, and trust me, if you stay on in this class for the next 30 minutes with me till the very end, trust me, approximately 8 marks in prelims will be yours in ancient history, in this valley civilization topic, and 10 marks in mains will be yours. So if you want to simplify history, if you want to enjoy history, be with me till the very end. Okay, let's get started. First, let me help you understand what is this initiative and how we are going to study history today. We are going to start with chapter 1, Indus Valley Civilization or Harappan Civilization. Now, super start with NCRTs. What is it? Basically, we all know that NCRTs, they form 20 to 25% part of your prelims static questions. Whatever static questions in prelims you see, those static questions can be solved very easily if your NCRTs are in your command. And that is why every topper suggests to revise NCRTs at least thrice. क्यों बोला जाता है? सब टॉपर्स यही क्यों बोलते हैं 3 बार NCRT रिवाइज किया हमने. This is the reason. But do we actually revise or complete NCRTs? Majority students, they don't do that. That is the problem in your preparation. Your foundations are weak. NCRTs एक बार कर भी ली ना, दूसरी बार रिवाइज करने में प्रॉब्लम होती है. क्यों? क्योंकि बोरिंग लगता है. Right? This is the flaw. If we are aware of our mistakes, trust me, we can very easily achieve our goals if we are aware of our mistakes, because then we will have the motivation to solve them. है ना? So in this initiative, we'll be covering NCRTs. With NCRTs, we'll be covering PYQs. With that, we'll be covering current affairs also. Everything in one initiative. So in the comment section, please फटाफट से अभी right now quickly please write it down. I am in. ऐसे लिखना है. This is how you have to write. And see, I am a very strict teacher when it comes to sincerity and discipline. So abhi ke abhi, please stop everything. Write down in the comment section under below this video, I am in. Once you write it down, I'll have the confirmation that all my students are disciplined. मुझे confirmation मिल जाएगा. No matter how childish it sounds, please write down. जल्दी से in the comment section below this video. So I've helped you understand why this initiative is important and how we are going to cover it up. In the description box below this video, there will be practice questions for all of you. After this session ends, practice those questions. Tell me your scores in the comment section, because I read each and every comment. And जब मुझे नहीं comments आपके दिखते हैं, आपके scores नहीं दिखते हैं, then there is no motivation to take another class, है ना? In our class, we'll be making notes, and if you want these notes, handwritten notes, and these are my own notes, mind maps, etc. So if you want these notes, please in the comment section, you have to be active. You have to write down your scores after you practice the test in the description box, and you have to write down I am in also. ये दो चीजें लिखोगे, आपको ये नोट्स टेलीग्राम कम्युनिटी पे मिल जाएंगे. शुरू करते हैं आज का सेशन. हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन. See, Harappan civilization is India's ancient civilization. That is why it's a part of ancient Indian history. Agreed? And every civilization has to go through different phases. If you talk about the Magad Empire, if you talk about Mahajanpat period, if you talk about the Mughals, every civilization, every kingdom went through different phases. ये इस तरीके से ना phases होते हैं. Similarly, in the Harappan civilization, because it was near the river Indus, it was also known as Indus Valley civilization. And it had three phases: early Harappan phase, mature Harappan phase, and late Harappan phase. Now, please make sure that you do not do PhD in history. Many students end up researching a lot of things in history, and that is why they feel they have this anxiety, overwhelming feeling कि भाई इतना कुछ हो गया, अब revise कैसे करेंगे. You have to study what UPSC asks. So either you don't have to remember the years, etc. Just know, just be aware that there were three phases in Harappan civilization: early, mature, and late. Now, how do we come to know about Harappan civilization? How are we aware about this civilization? Because of different excavations, because of different sources that we have procured. For example, different pots, architecture of that period, ornaments, tools. This is the bearded priest statue that we got from the Harappan civilization, right? यहाँ से हमें पता चला कि उस टाइम पर कुछ ऐसे राजा तो नहीं होते थे, बट देवर स्पिरिचुअल मेंटर्स, स्पिरिचुअल हेड्स. Okay, egalit, some theories they say there were local chieftains, there are some theories which tell us that egalitarian society was there. Okay, then we have seals of that period. Pashupati nath का seal हमें मिला है, where we see that one person is sitting in meditative position and the animals are attracted to that person. That shows Pashupati Nath. Pashupati, that means the leader of the animals. Unka Nath, unke Lord, right? Some people also, say that this is the, you can say, image of Lord Shiva, because Lord Shiva is known as Pashupati Nath. He is surrounded by all kind of animals, right? He is the protector of the animals. Then we have found the script of that period. Through the script also we came to know about a civilization which existed at that period. However, the script, which is Bostrophodon, इसको Bostrophodon बोलते हैं, right? जो राइटिंग स्टाइल है, ये अभी अभी कुछ हद तक डिसाइफर नहीं हो पाई है, राइट? बट दीज आर द things through which we came to know about the grid pattern, the town planning, the wells that we have excavated. 700 plus wells, private wells, have been found in Mohenjo-daro. The kind of road structure that we have found in Ropar, in Kalibangan, in Mohenjo-daro, right, which shows us the existence of some kind of civilization. Okay, point clear? Okay, so these, that is how we come to know about civilizations, through these kind of sources. And there are key sites which UPSC has always focused on in Harappan civilization: Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Rakhigadi, Dholavira, and Ganveriwala. These are the sites. यहाँ पर आप देखोगे in the map also, Ganveriwala is over here, right? Harappa is over here, right? Then these are the Kalibangan, यहाँ पर है, ठीक है? कालीबंगन में फायर ऑल्टर्स पाई गई हैं, चूड़ियां पाई गई हैं, राइट? सुरकोटड़ा, इट इज सेड दैट हॉर्स बोन्स वर फाउंड इन सुरकोटड़ा. लोथल, डॉकयार्ड्स यहाँ पर पाई गई हैं, द शिप्स वगैरह, वेयर द शिप्स एटसेट्रा वेयर दे आर पार्क्ड, those kind of sites have been found. Ropar, right, is over here. Manda, these sites belong to the Harappan civilization. Okay, यहाँ तक point clear हो गया? Then we have Mohenjo-daro over here. Mohenjo-daro also was found. So these are the different kinds of sites which are found, which relate to the Harappan civilization. Okay, यहाँ तक point clear हो गया सभी को? Very good. Now, another important point of Harappan civilization is that how those the people of those civilizations, they existed, they survived. So there were different practices. Harappan civilization is also known as the urban civilization. Why? I'll show you why. At that point of period, in that civilization, there were irrigation practices. You know, drip irrigation भी उस time पर practice की जाती थी. Fields were plowed. कालीबंगन में plowed fields पाई गई हैं. Tools, terracotta plow has been found. Harvesting blades have been found. Dholavira में I told you that reservoirs have been found. In Afghanistan, there is a place called Shotugai. There canals have been found. So this shows the urbanization, the urban mindset of those of that civilization, of the people of that civilization. Then in agriculture and food, if we see rice, wheat, barley, chickpeas, ये सब वहां पर उगाए जाते थे. Millets, जिसको आप सुपर फूड बोला जाता है ना, millets are known as super food. They were cultivated at that period also. Pigs were domesticated, cattle have been found, the bones of sheep, goats, buffalo has been found. So these were the subsistence strategies that the people of Harappan civilization, they basically were practicing to survive, to live a good life. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now there is a case study which is done to understand the urban planning of Harappan civilization. Now here I'll show you the NCRTs over here. Okay, what the NCRTs talk about. Now this is the chapter of the NCRT, right? This is the first chapter, Indian History Theme Part 1, Bricks, Beads and Bones. This is the chapter that we are studying. I told you that Harappan seal has been found. This is one such Harappan seal. Then अगर हम आगे बढ़े, we move ahead. So over here, this is the map that I showed you. Okay, now this is a very important aspect of NCRT, that the time periods are named very structurally. For example, if it is written BP means before present, BCE means before common era, CE means common era. ओके, तो ये डेटिंग सिस्टम है जो फॉलो किया जाता है। अगर सी लिखा है, सी मीन्स सिरका, विच मीन्स अप्रोक्सीमेट। दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, अवेयरनेस के लिए जरूरी है। सो आई शो यू अबाउट द टाउन प्लानिंग दैट वी वर स्टडिंग। देखो टेराकोटा बुल भी उस टाइम का पाया गया है, सो दिस शोज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एनिमल्स, राइट। नाउ ओवर हियर वील गो डाउन, टाउन प्लानिंग में जाएंगे, एंड हियर यस सिटाडेल्स। नाउ ओवर हियर लुक एट इट, आई ड्रू अ पर्टिकुलर डायग्राम, ये डायग्राम मैंने बनाया है। This is one such example of urban planning of Harappan civilization. You will see this raised platform, this is known as citadel, and you will see this low lying platform which is known as lower town. Citadel was at the western part. It is said that influential people used to live over citadel, and the lower town where the common people, the residential buildings were made, common people used to live over here, trading activities यहाँ पर होती थी. So very beautifully in the blue box you will see about citadel. Most Harappan settlements have small high western part and a larger lower eastern section. That means this citadel is small area, narrow area, but it is high raised. That means very few people used to live over here. And then most of the part in Harappan civilization had a larger lower section. Okay, तो धोलावीरा लोथल में आप देखोगे fortification of the entire town has been done. Fortification means they knew about boundaries, they knew about protection, they knew about security. Okay, and within the towns were separated by walls, right? So it is also said that seals have been found. If you want to visit another town from one town, you have to show them the seal for identification. तो मोहिंजोदारो की एक मूवी भी आई थी, ऋतिक रोशन स्टारर मूवी, राइट। देयर आर सर्टन एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ हिस्ट्री फ्रॉम दिस एनसीईआरटी दैट यू विल सी एंड नोटिस इन दैट मूवी. ट्राई टू वॉच दैट मूवी. कभी कभी ऐसे कुछ इन्फॉर्मेटिव मूवीज, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट एवरीथिंग इज ट्रू इन दैट मूवी, बट यस सम एस्पेक्ट्स हैव बीन टेकन फ्रॉम दीज काइंड ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन दैट वी आर स्टडिंग अबाउट. ओके, अब सिटिडल लोथल अगर प्लेस में देखोगे ना, सिटिडल लोथल में जाओगे गुजरात में और सिटिडल को देखोगे तो वहां पर वॉल्स नहीं बनी हुई है, बट वो एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे, हाई रेस्ड प्लेटफॉर्म पे सिटिडल स्टैब्लिश्ड है. तो दीज वर द डिफरेंशिएशन. ओके, देन यू विल ओवर हियर सी अ ड्रेन इन मोहिंजोदारो. दिस इज अ ड्रेन, राइट. अब देखो ड्रेन की ओपनिंग कितनी हुई है, दैट एंटायर पर्सन इज विजिबल स्टैंडिंग ओवर देयर, राइट. So this is kind of very advanced urban planning that people used to do. Now just imagine, that means right now the underground drainage system, everything that you see, we have taken it from Harappan civilization. Back in that time people were so intelligent, people were so technologically advanced. जस्ट सोचो थोड़ा सा, मतलब ये चीजें हमें सीखने का मौका देती है. हम उनसे सीख रहे हैं या वो पहले से सीख कर आए हैं, क्या हुआ है, what has happened? We call ourselves very advanced, but we have learned a lot of things from them and we have copied it. Private wells were existing at that period. How it is so wonderful that knowledge passes like that, right? कितना अच्छा लगता है कि सोच कर कि भाई नॉलेज ऐसे पास हो रही है. अब हमें पता चल रहा है कि जो एडवांस सिस्टम ड्रेनेज का हम बना रहे हैं वो ऑलरेडी उस टाइम पर था. दैट मीन्स वो हमसे भी ज्यादा दिमाग था उन लोगों में, हमसे भी ज्यादा एडवांस थे. कहाँ गई वो सिविलाइजेशन, राइट? व्हाट हैपेंड टू दैट सिविलाइजेशन? वील स्टडी दैट, डोंट वरी. Okay, keep on writing in the comment section if you are getting excited, because see, I teach history through storytelling. तभी याद रह पाती है, वरना भूल जाओगे, वरना भारी लगेगी. Now at that time period there are road patterns which have been found. आप देखोगे this kind of grid system has been found at that time. इस तरीके का grid system, grid pattern पाया गया है. That means roads were cutting each other at 90 degrees. Right, so grid pattern of streets was found. There was underground drainage system which was a very well laid drainage system which existed. There were private wells in every house. There was a great bath. It is said that it was used for ritualistic bathing. There were warehouses. People knew that we have to store the grains if we are cultivating them, है ना. So this is the case study through which we understand the urban planning of Harappan civilization. If we move ahead, you will see this kind of town planning. आप देखोगे these are the roads. यहाँ पर आप देखोगे we have the drainage pattern. यहाँ देखोगे grid style streets है. This is the raised platform which was known as citadel, right? And we will see house of common people over here. ये आपकी, this is the city wall. I told you ना about fortification. Every city, every town was fortified like this. I am really amazed. Just while teaching, I feel in awe by looking at this particular image. ये इमेज मैंने 7 साल पढ़ा है और 7 साल हर बार मैं ये इमेज दिखाती हूँ, बट हर बार जब भी मैं ये इमेज देखती हूँ ना, मुझे खुद इन ऑ फील होता है कि यू नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पीपल वर दे. ओके, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. लेट्स मूव अहेड. नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट सोसाइटी ऑफ दैट पीरियड. वी हैव अंडरस्टूड अबाउट infrastructure, we have understood about the sources through which we come to know about the Indus Valley civilization and its existence. Now let us understand what was the society like. सोसाइटी का माइंडसेट ना कैसे पता चलता है? हाउ डू यू फाइंड अंडरस्टैंड द माइंडसेट ऑफ द सोसाइटी? बाय द वे, कैसे पता चलता है? Let me know in the comment section. Keep on writing. We come to know about the mindset of the society through the different practices that they do. For example, we have found the bodies, the skeleton of the people of that period. So those skeletons were found in the burial site. And you will see mostly the burial sites were simply pits. Pits bana dete the and used to bury the body. But some pits had brick linings, some pits had small copper mirrors. That means according to the wealth that you have, the burials were performed. कोई ज़्यादा वेल्दी नहीं है तो सिंपल पिट्स में बॉडी पाई गई है. कुछ ज़्यादा वेल्दी होंगे तो मिरर्स एंड ब्रिक लाइनिंग्स एंड एवरी वेल प्रोटेक्टेड पिट्स हैव बीन फाउंड, वेल डेकोरेटेड पिट्स हैव बीन फाउंड. So this shows the mentality or the mindset of the society or the wealth of the society. Then we have found artifacts, pottery, stone tools in day to day use. There are two kinds of artifacts: utilitarian, that means day to day life में जो use होता है, and luxury. So stones like or metals like lapis lazuli, faience, gold has been found. Right? Again, it shows us the differentiation of society or society stratification. There have been different craft centers. For example, beads and seals have been found in Chanudaro. नागेश्वर एंड बालाकोट में शेल्स पाए गए हैं, शेल्स की ज्वेलरी पाई गई है. लोथल एंड डोलावीरा में आप देखोगे स्मॉल मिनिएचर शिप्स हैव बीन फाउंड. राइट? So craft centers were found as per the location of the center or the site of Harappan civilization. लोथल में डॉकयार्ड है तो वहां पर शिप मिनिएचर शिप्स पाई गई हैं, टॉयज पाए गए हैं. राइट? पीपल न्यू मोर अबाउट शिप बिल्डिंग. Then what were the materials which have been used in these crafts? Carnelian, jasper. देखो अभी मैंने ना ये quartz, rose quartz पहना हुआ है. Right? This is also one size type of material. People wear you can say the ornaments of jasper, ornaments made of carnelian, etc. तो वो metals पाए गए हैं उस time period में. Shells पाए गए हैं. Then there were different techniques which were used in crafts. For example, polishing of the surface to make it shiny, intricate drilling so that new kind of crafts can be carved on the metal and it can be worn. Okay, so this is the kind of craft. Again I am in awe because now understand the creativity level of people at that period. क्रिएटिविटी लेवल समझो आप कि इंट्रिकेट ड्रिलिंग भी हो रही है, ब्यूटिफाई करने की कोशिश हो रही है. दे न्यू अबाउट ड्रिलिंग पैटर्न्स. I am really proud of our ancient civilization. Now, there is very interesting fact about the domestic architecture. If we look at the NCRT also, you will see that McKay has noted it very nicely. The excavator has noted it that it is certainly the most complete ancient system. This particular statement tells us about a lot of things. Complete ancient system yet discovered. Every house was connected to the street drains. हर घर का जो बाथरूम का एरिया था ना वो स्ट्रीट के ड्रेन से कनेक्टेड था. Main channels were made of bricks. Bricks were made of mortar, right? And then those bricks were loose bricks so that it can be removed and cleaning can be done. This was the kind of planning at that period. राइट? एंड लाइमस्टोन को भी यूज किया जाता था एज कवर्स. तो वेल कवर्ड ड्रेन था. दैट मीन्स सैनिटरी हाइजीन वॉज केप्ट इन माइंड. आई एम अमेज्ड. मैं बस पढ़ाते पढ़ाते हर बार अमेज हो जाती हूँ. How well prepared people were at that time, how intelligent people were at that time. Very long drainage channels were provided, right, for cleaning. And एक साइड पे ओपनिंग बहुत बड़ी थी ताकि क्लीनिंग इजीली हो सके. लोग आपने देखा यहाँ पर, आई शोड यू ओवर हियर, सी द ओपनिंग ऑफ द ड्रेनेज सिस्टम वाज सो ह्यूज सो दैट पर्सन कैन एंटर एंड क्लीन इट आउट. राइट? तो दिस इज समथिंग दैट अमेजेस मी. ये चीज मुझे अमेज करती है. नाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स दे आस्क कि मैम we have to read line by line in the book. No, you have to understand the summary of the chapters. एक एक line रटनी नहीं है. This is not how NCRTs have to be studied. You have to understand the meaning. For example, just now we understood na why it is advanced drainage system, because opening was huge. Through the image we have summarized it. Because sanitary hygiene was maintained because of the coverage of limestone. Loose bricks were used so that they can picked up and cleaning can be done and then again they can be put back. ये आपको याद रखना है. आपको एक एक चीज, एक एक नंबर याद नहीं रखना. आपको मतलब समझना है so that you can analyze later on when you are writing answers in mains. In the NCRT there is a very separate image of the citadel. Look at this image very carefully. This is the image of the citadel that has been excavated. You will see this is the Divinity Street, right? Great Bath, warehouse, even stairs, then excavated well, right? That shows us that the citadel was not a normal place. All the high-ended public structures were found in citadel. Great bath used for ritualistic worship. Big warehouses used to store all the important grains. Important wells. That means this citadel was the evidence that it was used for special purposes. स्पेशल पर्पस के लिए यूज किया जाता था. ग्रेट बाथ इज फाउंड ओवर हियर, लार्ज रेक्टेंगुलर टैंक in a courtyard which is surrounded by corridor in all the four sides. There were steps. तो आप चढ़ के जाओ ग्रेट बाथ में, फिर वहां पर आप अपने रिचुअलिस्टिक वर्शिप करो. ऑल ऑफ दैट वाज फाउंड इन द सिटाडेल. दैट शोज अस सिटाडेल वाज द इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. दैट इज व्हाई इट वाज ऑन अ रेज्ड प्लेटफॉर्म. ओके, छोटा एरिया था बट रेज्ड प्लेटफॉर्म पे बना करता था. नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड हाउ much more advanced civilization was. This civilization had trade links foreign civilizations like Mesopotamia civilization, like the Chinese civilization. Even in the Mesopotamia civilization, you will find these scripts which tells us that this particular product was traded with Harappan civilization. तो वहां से हमें वी हैव द एविडेंसेस थ्रू विच वी हैव एस्टैब्लिश्ड दिस फैक्ट. ऐसा नहीं है कि विदाउट एविडेंस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. There were different trade routes like sea routes, river routes via Saraswati River, Indus River, bullock carts पाए गए हैं at that time. We have different imported materials like from Afghanistan we have lapis lazuli. South India से we have gold, which are evidences. So we had foreign connections. Again, another part which establishes the advancement of Harappan civilization. We have studied about the seals, scripts, weight system था हमको पता है, right? And there are two different theories. For example, for the decline of the Indus civilization also we have multiple 5 to 6 theories. And similarly for this, that there were kings or not at that civilization, उसके भी different theories है हमारे पास. So this bearded priest sculpture has been found, this statue has been found, which hints towards kings because they were citadels. हमने citadels के बारे में पढ़ा है ना. कहाँ पर पढ़ा था citadels के बारे में? Yes, right, we have studied about citadels. So it is said in those particular urban places, urban centers, we had kings, priestly kings which used to rule. Plus there were no temples during that period. After later Vedic period we got temples. उस time पर nature worship used to happen. The female goddess of fertility was worshipped. Rituals were performed in Great Bath. Pashupatinath was worshipped. Animals were worshipped, right? Best part of the civilization that I personally enjoy is reading about is that nature was worshipped. Nature was kept above everything, right? There are different theories. Some archaeologists they say kings नहीं होते थे, egalitarian society था. कुछ बोलते हैं कि priest figures होते थे. Those priestly figures used to be revered. And some people say that local chieftains were there in different towns which were considered as the head of the town. Okay, यहाँ तक points clear हो गए. Now let us understand about the decline of this particular civilization. See, it is said that there were two major rivers, Saraswati River and Indus River. Now the Saraswati River has dried up, but it is said because of the shifting of the river courses, the Indus River and Gagar Hakra River, which is now the Saraswati River, because of the shift in course of these rivers, in some part of our Harappan civilization there were droughts, in other parts of the Harappan civilization there were extreme floods. That can be one reason. Some people say aridity increased of the civilization, because of which the monsoon rainfall decreased. So economy and the agriculture suffered. फूड शॉर्टेजेस हो गए जिसकी वजह से. सम पीपल से बिकॉज ऑफ एक्सटेंसिव अर्बन प्लानिंग डिफॉरेस्टेशन हैपेंड. सम पीपल से दैट अर्बन प्लानिंग डिक्लाइंड, sophistication in the urban planning in the infrastructure declined, and because of which population shrunk down. So there are different reasons behind the decline of Harappan civilization. So we have understood the civilization really nicely. Now I have two things for all of you, two assignments. First assignment is to complete this mains based part. Now how you need to complete this assignment. The question is given to you: briefly describe the main features of Harappan civilization. This is the question. You have to answer this question in 1.5 pages, not more than that. 150 words means 1.5 पेज से ज्यादा नहीं. Okay, you have to answer this question. गंदा लिखो लिखो बट आंसर तो करो. एटलीस्ट फेस द चैलेंज ना, तभी तो स्ट्रांग बनोगे, राइट? बी द अर्जुना ऑफ दिस बैटलफील्ड and get it evaluated by Super Kalam and tell me your scores in the comment section. First, let us understand how we can answer this question. Every question has to be answered in these many parts. First comes the introduction, body, and then comes the conclusion. Okay, these are the three parts in which question is answered. In the introduction, you will write that Harappan civilization is also known as Indus Valley civilization. It is one of the world's earliest civilization. Okay, we have introduced Harappan civilization. Now in the body, we will write about the key features. What are the key features? We had write it down. What did we study? Planned urban settlements. This is the first part. Okay, first point. Then we had, तो हम यहाँ पर क्या लिखेंगे? That we had advanced advanced drainage system. देन what else did we have? और क्या हुआ था हमारे पास? यहाँ पर लिखते हैं. ठीक है, let's write it down. What else did we have? We had extensive economic activity. We will talk about the trading system. ठीक है, एडवांस ड्रेनेज सिस्टम में आप सिटाडेल को भी मेंशन कर देना. ठीक है, देन वी हैड राइट इट डाउन स्क्रिप्ट्स एंड सील्स. ओके, 400 सिंबल्स पाए गए हैं. यू कैन शो दैट. देन वी हैड सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. एक्सप्लेन करने हैं ये सारे पॉइंट्स, जस्ट लाइक हाउ आई एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू. राइट, वी कैन टॉक अबाउट ओवर हियर द यूटिलिटेरियन प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आर फाउंड ओवर हियर, द बरियल साइट्स एटसेट्रा. अब उसके बारे में बात कर सकते हो. देन वी कैन टॉक अबाउट रिलीजन 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 एंड कल्चर. ठीक है, तो वहां का जो क्राफ्ट सिस्टम था आप उसके बारे में बात कर सकते हो. यू कैन टॉक अबाउट द क्राफ्ट सिस्टम एट दैट पीरियड. यू कैन टॉक अबाउट द रिलीजन ऑफ दैट पीरियड. ठीक है, प्रोटो शिवा पशुपतिनाथ सील हैज बीन फाउंड. फर्टिलिटी गॉडेस वाज वर्शिप्ड. ओके, तो ये सारी चीजें, मदर गॉडेस वाज वर्शिप. यू कैन टॉक अबाउट इट. ग्रेट बाथ के बारे में बात कर सकते हो. यू कैन गिव एग्जाम्पल्स. Then in the conclusion, how are we going to frame our conclusion? Conclusion कैसे frame करेंगे? Conclusion should be in a 10 marker question, should be not more than 2 to 3 lines. So you can write that the Harappan civilization, I'm giving you a hint, मैं आपको बस एक hint दे रही हूँ. The Harappan civilization was an early model of urban sophistication and societal organization. ओके, इसको थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर देते हैं. ठीक है, इन एंशियंट इंडिया. दैट इज इट. वी हैव समराइज्ड द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन बेस्ड ऑन द फीचर्स दैट वी हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड. दिस इज हाउ you have to answer this question. Now you will go to mains evaluation on Super Kalam and you will upload your answer copy in PDF format over here, start evaluation में, and tell me your score. See, if we are conducting these daily lectures, you have to participate. नहीं participate करोगे तो मेरा फायदा नहीं है ये क्लासेस लेने का. I will not take the class, the next class. Trust me, I am very firm on my words. I am taking this oath. I will not take the next class if you are not going to attempt this assignment and share your scores in the comment section. I am not going to take the next class. That is my promise to you. So you have to attempt this test. And other targets for today's session, for today's class are over here. You go to Super Kalam. There is a link given, by the way, in the description box. Click on that link. And over here, you will go to Super Start with NCRT's dashboard. Yesterday we had Indian Constitution class, right? इस पे click किया तो the class is given. MCQs that you need to practice are given. Previous year questions that you need to practice from the class is given. And practice mains question is also given. ये आपका पूरा टारगेट है एक जगह लिस्टेड डाउन. दिस इज हाउ योर टारगेट्स आर लिस्टेड डाउन. सिमिलरली टुडे आल्सो you will find in your dashboard the targets listed down for ancient history. Okay, so complete your targets. Tell me your scores in both prelims and mains assignments that we have given, and only then the next class will be taken. All right, do let me know if you enjoyed this session. If you want me to continue, then you have to be active. ऐसे नहीं होगा कि सब one sided ही हो. ठीक है. Thank you so much everyone for watching this session. I hope I was able to make history enjoyable for all of you.